How to turn on your receiving mode? A dark room will remain dark until you open its doors and windows to receive the light. Isn't it so? So the same is the case with the powerful law of attraction. How can be your desires manifested if you are just blocking its way and not allowing yourself to receive your desires? Do you want to know how can you turn on your receiving mode? Do you want to know how can you manifest your desires successfully? If so, then watch this video till the end, because I am going to show you 4 ways through which you can be in the receiving mode. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss the notifications of such interesting and inspiring videos. Let's get started. Number 1, be in alignment. Now, what does that mean? It simply means that you should align yourself with everything related to your desire. If you desire to be happy, then there should be no room. There should be no room for sadness, no room for dissatisfaction and fear. If you desire to be healthy, then you should align your body and mind to work for that desire instead of complaining and self-criticizing. If you want to achieve at a greater height, then you need to align your thoughts and vibrations according to that desire. The thoughts should match the vibrations. The vibrations should match the words you are speaking. The words should match with the actions. The moment any kind of misalignment is coming, you start blocking the path of manifestations also. But when you are aligned with your desires, with your goals, with your dreams, then you are in the receiving mode. Number 2, allow, not resist. Most people think that they can get their desired things just by wanting them truly. But the most important question is, are you actually allowing your desires to come towards you? Are you permitting the things you want to become true in your life? Of course, you may desire to be a teacher, you may desire to be a doctor, a scientist, an engineer, a businessman. Of course, you might desire to get a promotion at your job. You may desire to start your own business also. But have you ever wondered what is actually stopping you to achieve all those things in your life? Even after you want them so badly, so truly? What is it? It's your resistance that is blocking the pathway of your manifestations. What is happening here is you are actually bringing resistance in the vibrations of your desires of the things that you want in your life. You may be very desperate to get a promotion at your job, and you may be doubting yourself whether or not you can start your own business. Will it be successful or not? You may be doubting your abilities, that whether or not you can become a doctor, a teacher, or a scientist. And all those things are some examples of resistance whose vibrations doesn't match with the vibes of your desires. So you should ask yourself, are you actually allowing your desires to come to you? If not, then stop resisting and start allowing. Number 3, focus on positivity. Now, what law of attraction basically says? It says like attract like. So when you will focus on all the bad things, you will attract more of bad things. When you focus on all the negativities, then you will get or attract more of negativity in your life. But if you start seeing the bright pictures, bright side or positive sides, and focus on that only, then you will be attracting more of positivity, more of the good things in your life. The moment you shift your focus on dark side of your desires, you are actually turning off your receiving mode. Most of the achievements of the very successful people are often the result of the fact that they chose to look at the brighter side, the positive sides of all the things. So train your mind to focus on positive and only good things in your life, as well as about your desires. Number 4, make a thread of appreciation. This is one of the great ways of Abraham Hicks to turn on the receiving mode. He suggested starting a rampage of appreciation in your mind, which simply means to slowly create a series of thoughts or ideas of appreciation in your mind. Each thought or idea should make you feel better than the previous one. And the series goes on like this. Once you are able to do this, then you will notice how your mind will quickly shift to something inspiring and motivating. And making a thread of appreciation in your mind actually allows your manifestations to come true, to come towards you, because it deletes all the negativities from your mind as well as from your vibrations. So the question is, would you like to follow these 4 ways so that you can just clean up your vibrations to make things really happen for you?